Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Life of a Plant of this Dieffenbachia reflector. Just a quick update on its growth. The last update was on the 30th of March and today is the 24th of May. That I'm making this video. So it has been close to 2 months, not quite. And look how big the leaves have grown. They are looking really beautiful and really big compared to previously. I will try to put up a photo of the plant when I first got it. I'm not sure whether do I still have that. But yeah, let's take a look. But wow, look at the size of these leaves. Yeah, comparatively to previously, I think they have grown quite a bit. So like this one is about 30 centimeters in length and looking really beautiful. Look at all these patterns. This one as well. So this is my hand just for comparison. Yeah, so this is pretty big. So in fact, all the leaves are pretty healthy. But of course, there is always one leaf that is, yeah, yellowing. So this is the one. I kind of suspected is due to watering issues, probably underwatering. Typically, I will water this every 10 days. I'm not sure whether is that yeah, too long in between. But the weather now is getting really hot, so I got to make sure that I give it sufficient hydration. So as usual, it's always giving a new leaf. So this is a new one that is in the midst of unfurling. So this is my most beautiful and biggest leaf. But I got to confess, I almost broke it. No, in fact, I think I broke it. As I was lifting it up to check for pests. And yeah, I guess I went a little bit overboard and I kind of semi-broke it. It's not totally broken. There was a little bit of breakage here between the patio and the leaf. So I actually tape it up. I'm not sure whether it is working, but it's been a few days and apparently it's still looking healthy. So yeah, keeping my fingers crossed because yeah, I don't want to lose this beautiful leaf due to my stupidity. Yeah, can you see the slight breakage here? So if you remember, there was a little baby plant that grew out from the side of this main plant. Yeah, it's no longer a baby. Let's take a look. Yep, so this is the one. Yeah, it's almost an adult now. I would say it's a teenager. So these two are the first two leaves that are totally green without that patterns on them. But they still do have this neon mid-rib. But the subsequent leaves that came out are exactly like the parent plant with all these camouflage patterns. So it's really beautiful. And yeah, I think it's actually time to repot this. It's a little bit wobbly, so I probably need to separate this. So even the parent plant has grown pretty tall. And yeah, it's getting a little bit unstable as well. So I may need to also repot this. Not today. I will monitor it for another couple of weeks and see how they grow before I have the courage to actually remove this. Yeah, I hate repotting because, you know, leaves turn yellow, they die off, and yeah, I know that's part of the process. But yeah, but this is so pretty. I really don't have the heart to disturb it unnecessarily. The other reflector that I had outside the balcony, but I brought it in because it's getting way too hot out there. And in my last update, it had only 2 leaves. I think this one and this one, which has totally dried up due to the heat. But the latest leaf has started producing these patterns on the leaf, just like the mature plant, as well as this latest one, which is unfurling. Yeah, there was this small growth point that were producing leaves as well, but this has totally shriveled up due to the heat. Yeah, so I can't wait for this to grow to be as big as the other reflector. Thank you for watching this short update of this Dieffenbachia reflector. I shall see you guys again. So I'll give you another update once I've reported this and separate this baby one